I bought a faulty job lot of video games on eBay, and in it were these two Mega Drive games. I'm going to try and fix these. There were also some Game Boy Advance games in the job lot, but I'm going to look at those separately. So first and foremost, let's test them in the Mega Drive that I fixed in this video. The F-22 Intercept game was boxed, which is nice. Right, well, let's start with this one. Sonic the Hedgehog. Ooh, a white screen. A black screen. Oh. Oh. No. Well, that's 3 different things it's done to me. 4th time's a charm. Nope. Still not booting up. Okay, so that one is faulty. Wow. Let's try this one. Oh, black screen. And black screen again. At least that one's consistent. Let's start with Sonic. Let's have a look at that one. If only I could think of a clever way to get rid of this console. But I can't, so I'll just unplug it and move it. Right. How do we open this up? I think it's Game Bit, isn't it? It looks like a 4.5. Yes, it is. Just so everyone knows, I did apologise to VoiceOver Steve for not thanking him in the last video, so we kind of made up. I'm just hoping he's gonna shout at the Holy Hand Grenade patrons at some point. Right, well that looks absolutely fine, doesn't it? Oh dear. Well, we'll start with giving it a clean. There's not much to it, is there? Wow. Let's give it a clean to start with. I mean, I'm hoping that it's not just going to need a clean, but I'm going to use this Stapler eraser thing. They work really well on the Game Boy games. Actually, these are already clean. This is not making much difference, but I wonder what's wrong with it then. Well, you're going to have to try and find out, aren't you? Apology accepted, by the way. Let's shout out the Holy Hand Grenade patrons. This week, we've got Tidder, Ellis Garbett, Jamrag Berlin, Oz Newton, Wan Jockey, Markovitz19, 60 Does Stuff, and not Western & Sons? Tiny bit of discoloration on this side, but I don't think enough to make it not work, but you never know. Let's get some IPA. I'll just thank VoiceOver Steve just in case he did his job while I've been cleaning this. Thanks. Ooh, that sounded so heartfelt. Right, well that really wasn't dirty at all. Let's put it back together and let's see if it's doing anything different. I suspect it won't be. Not going to bother putting the screws in. Let's try that now. Okay, here goes. Oh. No. Okay. Right, so there is something else wrong with it. There's not a lot to go wrong on these, though, is there? Tell you what, let's get it under the microscope. Right, so we've got, I don't know, is that C2? I'm guessing that's some kind of ceramic capacitor. We've got a chip, MPR13913F. We've got a capacitor here, 47 microfarad, 16 volts. Looks okay. We've got some traces, and that's pretty much it. Well, everything there looks fine, doesn't it? Let's flip it over. Got no components on this side. Just more traces. Oh dear, what am I going to do? Right, I'm going to go through and check continuity on all of these just to make sure that they're all going from the chip to where they need to go. But everything looks super clean and absolutely fine, doesn't it? I know what I'm going to do. I remember when Vince did one of these, he measured them in diode mode and he checked all the legs to see if any of them read differently, and I think he did something with a resistor. I'm going to have a go at that and see if I can get any different readings. It'd be red probe on ground. 0.587. Same. 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 I'll stop saying same in a minute. Right, so this first one here is 0.52. And then we've got 0.66 again. That's the only one that's reading. I mean, it's not. Oh, there we go. 1.97. So that's a completely different reading than the others. Let me just mark that on the board. Right, I'm going to have to go and watch Vince's video because I can't remember exactly what he did.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Check this out. 8. Nothing. There's nothing on 8.
Ooh, that's slightly different than mine, isn't it?
Again. This one's going to be ground again.
Mine's 1 point something.
8
I'm still
here.
going to try it.
Sorry, 8 here.
Shh, Vince, stop. Right, so I watched Vince's video. Thanks very much, Vince. And I think it was Victor Rodrigo, something like that.
Close, it's Rodrigo Llamas.
His comment on one of Vince's videos mentions the 8th pin from the top here. So I flipped it over, and it is in fact the 8th pin. So if we go from here to here, I'm getting 1.9 something. Now it's not the same as Vince because he had open load or open limit or overload or over limit or octagonal llamas or whatever it is. And the fix involved putting a 1K resistor from here to the ground. So I just need to figure out which is the ground. And so, I did. It's there, isn't it? Which one's the ground? That one. There's literally 2 away. So 1K resistor between there and there. It's got to be worth a go, right? Yeah. I should be able to do that. Voila. Nice. Right, let's try that. Let's do this. Oh. Oh! Come on! Yes! Amazing. The music is too slow. Too slow. Thanks very much, Vince. Thanks very much,
Rodrigo.
Genius. Absolutely genius. Brilliant. Right, let's move on to the other one.
Voiceover Steve to the rescue once again. Let's just cut to the chase on this. This one just needed a clean. It was really quite boring. In hindsight, I wish I'd have done them the other way around, but I didn't.
Oh, we got a fair bit of dirt on that one. Oh. Oh, yeah! Never played this game before in my life. Nice music, though. Let's go straight into combat. Obviously the Russian campaign. Ugh, right, what do I do? Ooh. Yes. Ah! Stupid game. You can't go on thinking nothing's wrong. Oh, who's gonna drive you home?